How to transfer asset to someone else's account on Bybit. This is a step-by-step guide so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to the Bitget application. And from here, once inside, you then want to click on the assets at the bottom of your screen. You can go ahead and see that by navigating through the home, markets, trades, futures, and lastly assets. Now once inside assets, you can just go ahead and navigate through the assets that you want to transfer, and from there you can then go ahead and see a huge button called transfer. You can go ahead and choose what type of transfer do you want to do, the crypto transfer or the wallet or P2P transfer. You can just go ahead and ask your someone else account by transferring. You want to go ahead and get their wallet address, and from there all you have to do is to go ahead and paste the wallet address that you want to transfer the assets with. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time, and as always, thank you.